got the LED headlights installed. I did all four, so got the brights also. So you can't get a little bit of adjustment needed yet. That's the brights. And definitely get out there, you can see something. Back to low beams. They need to be adjusted to the right a touch, and right headlight looks like it needs to come up and to the right a touch. But yeah, definitely a lot different. The brights weren't too bad, just the low beams really sucked on here. And when we pulled the old headlights, found out that I don't know if it's what that kind of paint it is, but basically that chrome reflector paint, it was all off the one headlight, so that's why that one wasn't working worth squat. But yeah, so we got those installed, did that yesterday. Was planning to do it over the weekend, but it's like I had time, so just did it. And like I said, big difference. Brights, they're super bright now, so, but alright.